Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
But of course, zoo animals aren't the only ones that eat cicadas. Local songbirds, including chickadees, bluebirds and cardinals, will take advantage of their abundance too, something Smithsonian Migratory Bird Center scientists are eager to study.
Let's help you make your mark.
If a creature has a mouth or some other mechanism to digest cicadas, it likely will try to eat them. Cicadas make great fish bait. Squirrels, yes, they're nuts for cicadas too, birds, possums, raccoons, foxes, other insects, fungi, they all love cicadas.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.